Umentri rangba Khuborjylla ukonrat ke sangma ulakintui ki paitba bakin Kiar Katba ban Pynphriang kolmar ye kinu ki Jingjia hakirinsan social media la kalong hakabede bat ki kenthai khanna ni kinu ki Jingjia klem da Pyntikna shwa. Yakani umintri rangba ulakren hadin ke jingyalang bat ki kenhon beper kentup ki he sorkar ki he pulit ki nongelam shnong bat ki we halor ke jingshingan jung ki kenthai khanna ahnong ba Shillong bat ru Khubor barok kawe.
Street lights could also be improved. That is also a suggestion that we have taken very positively, and we will be taking steps to expand that network in collaboration with the localities. Also, there is I would like to appeal to the people at large. That today, because of the social media, a lot of false news and information also comes out. There are very quick, news that gets viral, which are unconfirmed news. And because of those unconfirmed news, suddenly you find the public reacting, and community and locality, large crowds gathering and blaming some individual just because what they saw on WhatsApp or what message they got on YouTube video, and because of which different kind of complicated situations come up, which could lead to law and order situation. And hence we should not start to just react to different videos, react to different messages on WhatsApp, or react to different videos on YouTube, and be careful as to what we do, because this will, as I said, lead to different kind of law and order situations in the state. So I appeal to the citizens that before we react, we should confirm any kind of information and not take the law in our hands. And wherever situation happens, we must trust our local leadership, the local Darbar, the Rambashnongs, and inform the police about this information so that police can take the right steps. So that would be the appropriate way to go forward. So all those